Alright guys, welcome to the stuffing channel. The only stuffed animals I have out here are Bernard and Ika right next to him. Today they're going to be playing with a train track. Their sister Leonard is still sleeping, so I decided to make them come out here and play with the train set. Ika's gonna go first because I'm gonna do one at a time. Okay. I need to turn the train on real quick. Whee! Here comes the train. Going around and around. It's going around and around and around and around and around and around. Oh. Round and around and around and around and around and around. Round and around and round, round and around. It's going around and around. It's going.
Ika, are you playing with the train?
Yeah.
Aww.
Alright. It's going back. Alright, Ika. I think it's Bernard's turn now. Bernard, wanna play with the train? Yeah. Bernard, you play with the train. Bernard, you play with the train. Going around and around and around and around. Going around and around. Around and around and around and around. And around and around and around and around and around and around. Hey, I want to play with the train set now. Ika, share. That train set's for everybody, but it's mostly for me because Mom got it for me, but I'm letting you stuffed animals play with it too. No, it's mine. Mine. Ika, you gotta share. Now give me that thing. No! No. Hey. Alright. Ika, if you don't get along with your brother, you're gonna be grounded. You're gonna go on timeout. Fine. Oh, we came out here to have some fun. Gotta push the train a little bit. The train's about to go dead, and the batteries are gonna have to get replaced soon. But so far, so good. The stuffed animals are getting along now. Ika said he's sorry. He made up with his brother. So, alright, we're gonna do one more round and then have to end the video, alright, Ika? Okay. That goes for you too, Bernard. We're gonna do one more round and then I have to end the video. Alright. I need to turn that train off. And this. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell. And don't miss out on the channel. Bye!